So it's just started snowing again, quite heavily. It was raining all night. Now that's going to stick again. Do you want to go out in the snow? Who wants to go out in the snow? Go, the babies! It's the snow! Where's that baby? Now, these branches weren't down like that now. Oh. That's something I'm going to have to clip. I really wanted to get some work done today, but rain and now snow, but I'm going to have to come out and get some stuff done tomorrow. So this is extra water for the compost. I just put egg boxes and fruit and eggshells and everything. There's the babies having fun. So this will all add to the water. Take it away from the house and give it a room, collect. So it's this one. Let that all collect up. Get him! I'm gonna get you, the babies! Watch out, Rocco! Go, go, go! So this will be good for my barrels. Let everything collect up. What are you doing on my hugel culture stuff? Huh? Oh no, the buddy! You two are going to be soaking now when you get in. Get her, Rocco! I'm going back to the house. It's freezing! So happy. So happy. Oh, it's fucking freezing. And now watch. I bet you when I go in now, the mama dog is up on the sofa. She's not allowed up on the sofa. Oh, you're a good girl, mama. You're a good girl. It's snowing out, mama. It's snowing again. Ah, you having a lazy day? You having a lazy day? Will I get food on? Will I? Will I get food on? You want this food? Huh? Big yawn. You get the food. Get it, mama. Oh, it's a big stretch. Have it in a minute. How heavy that is. There's the babies. Woo! Look how heavy that is. Coming in. Come on. you want food? Do you want food? Come on. Come on, babies. Where's my babies? Where's my babies? Do you want to go out to them? No? Where's my baby buddy? Where's my buddy? You coming in? Do you want it? They're nuts. You just showed them. Do you want some food? Do you want some food? No? They don't want it yet. Buddy. You're gonna be soaking when you come in. Get her, Rocco. Get him, buddy. Good girl. Get him. Pin him down. That's a good girl. Good girl. Yes. Good boy, Rocco. Good boy. Go get her, Rocco. Go get that, buddy. Yeah. Oh, you're so good together. You're teaching her how to fight, Rocco. It's a good boy. Teach that girl how to protect herself. You're very good. Yes. Good boy, Rocco. Now, Daddy has to go back in. It's freezing. See you in a minute. Go get her, Rocco. You coming in? Come on, buddy. Rocco. Come on, baby. Buddy. Where you going? Get out there, Mama. Go play in the snow. Where's that buddy, baby? She's under the bush, look. Let's go. Go get her. Mama, you going out? Do you want to go out? Go. Go, babies, go. Oh, that's so much fun. Go get the mama. Oh, it's so cold. There's some storm out there. They'll come back now in a few minutes. It's crazy, it just comes out of nowhere. Comes out of nowhere. I went out the other day and started preparing, getting leaves, trying to rake up the ground, and boom, snow again, frozen. Crazy. See, I'm aware the last two videos I'm uploading to YouTube are tough to watch, so I just wanted to put up some nice content. Crazy, crazy day. Just beautiful. Just can't get anything done in the winter. You know, you might get 1 or 2 days of sunshine. Friday was beautiful, beautiful. I done a bit of work. Sorry, yesterday was beautiful. I got a bit of work done yesterday. That's what it was. I haven't slept much. I woke up at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. and I've been sitting here. Just made a few videos, watched a little bit of content on television, and so that's the snow.